Okay, using a credit card, take this off, pop it off. You'll have 4 screws. To take these out, you remove the 4 screws. This comes out. It was glued into place, so it'll be a little rougher. Just be gentle taking it out. In the back, you have the connector, which you have connected in, and connect that nicely. And reassembly, I like to put a little piece of tape on that connection so it doesn't slip out. Take a little piece of tape and we'll just lay it on there to make sure this doesn't slip. That's fine. Carefully. We'll take this out. Let's neaten that up a little bit. And we'll take, so if you'll note, each one of these screws has something blue on it. It's called thread locker blue, and that makes sure that these screws don't back out on their own and become loose. There's a reason why it was made that way. I don't know who redoes it, but I do. I like to do it. There's a reason that the manufacturers have put it in to begin with. And so I use a gun. This one has a fine tip, and it's magnetized. And I will. What's neat about that is it holds the screw in place, and hold it right in the tip, and then you can just put it in. And I'll put a little drop of thread locker on it. Okay, here we are. Just put this right into place. A little blue thread locker in. Screw them into place. Gently. Kind of messy. I'll try put less thread locker on the next one, but it doesn't matter. It dries. You can wipe that off, and that you will do for all 4. Okay, last one. Held into place with a magnet. And we'll just screw it in. Not too tight, because we have the blue lock on it. If you don't have blue lock, you can use a little nail polish. And so I wiped the residue off of that one. And these are all bolted into place. I have a little bit of adhesive, you know, there's a little snap into place. Make sure it's lined up. And there you have it. I have some double-sided, I'll show you. So I have a little double-sided sticky that's used for cell phones, monitors, and I'll put a little bit around the edge. And it'll snap into place, and it will also hold it a little better. That's the way it came, because when I removed it, it was a little tough, but then you got to handle it gently to pry this up. And now this will just snap into place. The clips are all good. You got to just gently remove the clips, and now it'll just snap into place once we put some double-sided sticky. Not necessarily, but I like to do it to give it a little more stickiness. Okay, very simple. Sticks down. Peel this off. And go all the way around, and then snap it into place.